Hi, today we're going to be answering the question, what are parts of speech? So every word in English and in other languages can be put into a category, into a group, depending on what job it has in the language. So parts of speech means these categories. So parts of speech means noun, verb, article, adjective, adverb, conjunction, and there are more, but these are the ones we're going to focus on today. So, what are parts of speech? So, parts of speech are categories. And the first category we're going to look at is noun. Okay, what is a noun? A word that is a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Now, a person can be a common noun, like teacher, or it can be a specific person. We call this a proper noun because it has a capital letter. So Laura would be a specific person and she would get a capital letter. So these are all common nouns and these are all proper nouns. Okay, so same thing for place. So city is a place. This is a noun. But if I'm talking about a specific city like Grand Rapids, that's a proper noun and it gets capital letters. A thing. I might be talking about a vacuum. Vacuum is a common noun. But if I'm talking about my specific brand of vacuum, a Shark, it is a proper noun and I'm giving it a capital S. Now, ideas don't really have common and proper. Ideas are things like peace or community or hope. These are things that are not tangible. You cannot touch them. They are abstract. So that's what it means by ideas. So a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. So in English sentences, you have to have a noun or a pronoun. We'll talk about pronouns later. And you have to have a verb. So we can have action verbs like run, talk, jump, type, study. Those are all things that we do. We can also use the verb to be. I am, you are, he or she is. Past tense is was or were. Future will be, or I'm going to be. We can also have stative verbs. So stative verbs are not really actions. They can express preferences like I like, I dislike, I hate, I love, I prefer. Or they can use words like it appears to be raining, it seems to be raining. Okay, she looks happy. Those are not really actions, but those are words we use to describe people and things. So you can have an action verb, stative verb, the verb to be. The point is, in English, the verb always follows a noun or a pronoun. Okay, articles in English. We have a, an, and the. So a and an are used when we don't know the specific thing or the first time we're talking about something. And we use an if we have a vowel sound at the beginning of the noun. So what do you see? I see an ant. We wouldn't say a ant. It's too difficult. What do you see? I see an owl. This is a vowel sound. I can't say a owl. It's too difficult. An owl. So this is a pronunciation rule. You use an if you have a vowel sound in the next word. And then you have the. Okay, that's articles. So articles go in front of nouns. So a person, the place, a thing, an idea. All right, next we have adjectives. What do adjectives do? Adjectives describe nouns. So they are connected to nouns up here. Okay, and they answer the question, what kind? So I see a man. Man is a person, a noun. What kind of man? An old man. So old is my adjective because it describes man. I see a house. What kind of house? A big house. So house is a noun. It's a thing or possibly a place. What kind of house? A big house. Big is an adjective because it describes house. Okay, adverbs. Now, adverb has the word verb in it, so that's helpful. Adverbs do many things. but they mostly describe verbs, and they answer the question how. So he walked. Walk is a verb, right? It's an action. He walked. How did he walk? He walked slowly. She slept. That's a verb. That's an action. How did she sleep? She slept soundly. Okay, and often adverbs have ly. Not always, but often. So an adverb describes a verb, and it does other things. An adjective describes a noun. And the last part of speech we're going to look at in this video is conjunctions. Now, conjunctions join words, phrases, and sentences together. And we're going to look at a few. And, or, so, but would be a common one. So, for example, she ate fish and rice. You might say, do you want fish or rice? She ate fish, but not rice. So, conjunctions add words or phrases or sentences together. Okay, that's our overview. What is a part of speech? Parts of speech are these categories here: noun, verb, article, adjective, adverb, and conjunctions. There are others, but these are the main ones we're going to study. All right, hope you enjoyed that. The next two videos are going to be activities that we're going to be doing together.